The Introvert Oasis presents Discovering INFJ Joy, Unveiling the Profound Path to Happiness. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of profound joy? Step into a world where empathy reigns supreme, where hidden treasures of happiness await your compassionate hearts. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we decode the mysteries of INFJ joy, revealing the extraordinary sources that ignite your soul and lead you to a path of profound fulfillment. From unraveling symbolism to creating ripples of kindness, from intuitive insights to soul-nourishing rituals, prepare to embark on an enchanting exploration that will forever transform your understanding of joy. Get ready to unleash the power of your INFJ essence and discover a realm of joy like never before. Number 1. Symbolism and hidden meanings. INFJs possess a remarkable affinity for unraveling symbolism and hidden meanings woven into life's tapestry. The joy you find in decoding these intricate layers stems from your innate desire for understanding and forging profound connections. Picture an INFJ exploring a local art gallery, captivated by a painting depicting a solitary tree. They intuitively sense it symbolizes resilience and personal growth, filling them with joy and inspiration. Tips for INFJs: immerse yourself in art, literature, and films that employ symbolism, allowing your intuitive mind to explore hidden depths. Engage in philosophical discussions or join book clubs where you can unravel complex ideas together. Embrace your ability to interpret signs and synchronicities, finding meaning in the seemingly mundane. Number 2. Small gestures of kindness. Within the realm of everyday wonders, INFJs discover immense joy in the power of small gestures. It is through these acts of compassion, be it a handwritten note, a warm smile, or a helping hand, that you create ripples of positivity and forge meaningful connections with others. Imagine an INFJ commuting and noticing a person struggling to carry their groceries. They offer assistance, eliciting a bright smile and heartfelt gratitude, filling them with a profound sense of joy and interconnectedness. Tips for INFJs: cultivate a keen awareness of opportunities to brighten someone's day with a simple act of kindness. Write heartfelt letters to friends, surprise loved ones with thoughtful gifts, or offer support to a colleague in need. Remember, your gentle acts of compassion hold the power to transform lives. Number 3. Intuitive insights. Deep within your souls, INFJs possess a profound gift: intuition. These sudden insights and intuitive flashes about people and situations bring you unparalleled joy, providing clarity and guiding you on your unique path. Let's imagine an INFJ in a business meeting, sensing a hidden tension in the room, prompting them to ask a question that unravels the underlying issue. Their intuition helps facilitate an open and productive discussion, filling them with joy for making a meaningful impact. Tips for INFJs: cultivate moments of stillness and introspection to tap into your intuition's wellspring of wisdom. Practice meditation, engage in journaling, or take mindful walks in nature to quiet the noise and listen to the whispers of your inner voice. Trust your intuitive nudges and allow them to shape your journey. Number 4. Meaningful rituals. INFJs find solace and joy in the beauty of meaningful rituals. Whether it's a daily meditation practice, a sacred self-care routine, or participating in cultural or spiritual ceremonies, these rituals ground you, providing a sense of purpose and nourishment. Imagine an INFJ creating a calming ritual every evening by lighting a scented candle, practicing mindful breathing, and reflecting on the day's blessings. This ritual allows them to find inner peace and embrace a deep sense of joy and gratitude. Tips for INFJs: craft rituals that honor your values and replenish your soul. Create a sacred space for meditation or self-reflection, light candles, and use essential oils to set a serene ambiance. Explore rituals and ceremonies from different cultures that resonate with your spirit, fostering a deep connection to something greater than yourself. Number 5. Intellectual stimulation. INFJs possess a voracious appetite for intellectual stimulation. Engaging in profound conversations, delving into philosophical concepts, and exploring intricate ideas not only brings you joy but also fuels your continuous growth and broadens your understanding of the world. Picture an INFJ discovering a thought-provoking book that delves into the nature of human existence, inspiring them to engage in deep conversations with friends and further explore the mysteries of life. Tips for INFJs: seek out opportunities to engage in intellectual discourse with like-minded individuals or diverse communities. Join book clubs, attend lectures, or participate in online forums where you can exchange ideas and explore complex topics. Embrace your thirst for knowledge and allow it to shape your personal growth. Before continuing, I have a book recommendation: Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. This profound and thought-provoking book explores the human quest for meaning in life, drawing from the author's experiences in Nazi concentration camps. Frankl's insights into finding purpose in even the most challenging circumstances can provide a deeper understanding of how to uncover joy and fulfillment in your own life. Number 6. Acts of self-care. Nurturing your souls is paramount. Engaging in activities that bring you joy, be it pursuing creative hobbies, embracing solitude in nature, or practicing self-reflection, allows you to recharge and find inner happiness. Imagine an INFJ spending a rejuvenating day at a local park, immersing themselves in the beauty of nature, journaling, and capturing photographs, finding joy and serenity in this peaceful solo excursion. Tips for INFJs: prioritize self-care as an integral part of your well-being. Dedicate time to activities that ignite your passions, such as painting, playing an instrument, or writing. Seek solace in nature, taking mindful walks or finding peace near bodies of water. Engage in self-reflection through journaling or meditation, connecting with your innermost desires and aspirations. Number 7. Supporting others' growth. INFJs derive immeasurable joy from being catalysts for growth in others. By nurturing, guiding, and inspiring personal and professional development, you create a positive impact, fostering a profound sense of fulfillment. Imagine an INFJ volunteering as a mentor for a young aspiring artist, providing guidance, constructive feedback, and unwavering support. Witnessing the artist's growth and seeing their dreams come to fruition fills the INFJ's heart with profound joy and pride. Tips for INFJs: share your wisdom, empathy, and guidance with those around you. Offer mentorship, lend a compassionate ear, or provide support to those embarking on their journeys of growth. Advocate for causes that align with your values, leveraging your empathetic nature to make a difference in the world. Remember, by uplifting others, you uplift yourself, fostering a deep sense of joy and fulfillment. As we draw near the end of our extraordinary journey, remember that the path to profound joy lies within your grasp. Unveiling symbolism, spreading kindness, trusting your intuition, embracing meaningful rituals, seeking intellectual stimulation, practicing self-care, and supporting others' growth. All these treasures await your embrace. And as you continue your quest for happiness, I leave you with a powerful recommendation. Delve into the pages of Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. Let his profound insights ignite a deeper understanding of uncovering joy and fulfillment in even the most challenging circumstances. So go forth and may your hearts forever dance with the enchanting melody of INFJ joy.